Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is Thursday, FOMC Day, November the 7th. We're about 2 minutes away from the market open, 2 or 3 minutes. It's 9:27. And let's start with the daily frame, shall we? This is the NASDAQ and S&P left and right. As you can see, the rampaging bull market continues even after the giant day yesterday. We have another up day this morning on both the NASDAQ and S&P, both bullish bodies and both in all-time highs. Now you'll see here on the futures contract that we are not at all-time highs. On the continuous contract for NASDAQ, we are certainly at all-time highs for the S&P. But in the cash market, if you looked at the triple Qs, for instance, or in the cash index, we are actually at all-time highs. And that just has to do with premiums and discounts and rollovers in the futures contracts here. This being the continuous contract. So that's a little bit deceiving there. And that's just one of the aspects of futures that needs to be taken into account from time to time. So very bullish picture coming in here, guys, into the open. This is the 1 minute sisters, NASDAQ and S&P, volume weighted average price, obviously trading up here near 2 standard deviations on both. And we'll be watching to see what happens when we get into the market open itself in about 55 seconds. This is my trading grid, guys. I call it the power grid. Daily over here, there's that bullish picture. This is the 30-minute chart, guys. As you can see, been rallying here all day yesterday, of course, or most of the day in the New York session, and then resting, and then kind of grinding up here in a small way during Asia, kind of mostly sideways to up in the UK session. Of course, the London session and German session continues till about 11:30 a.m. here, overlapping with the market open of New York, which is about to happen in about 10 seconds or so, right over here on the 1 minute chart. I am going to drop down to the 30-second chart here today, guys, for some more granular detail. I want to see how this market open is going to receive this extreme bullishness coming in, and see if we're going to sell off here on the open with some profit taking or continue higher. There's the open. Let's go back to the two sisters. There it is. We'll wait for that 1 minute open range to get set here for the day, and we'll go from there. I'll put you on pause for now, guys, and bring you back, editing out all the dead air and non-teaching moments. I'm just going to watch this develop, guys. See if we can get some more structure, maybe an impulse up and a pullback and retest of the open range for a potential long. Who knows? Little divergence happening here, guys. S&P dropping down, NASDAQ staying above for now. All right, guys, watching closely here. Buy stop order above, guys. Buy stop order above. Break and retest here, guys. Here we go. And I'm in, guys. I looked away for a moment and I got the alert. I am long the NASDAQ here. It's always a bit challenging to take a long trade after a big move like this, very extended. But when you're in all-time high territory, it makes sense to toss the coin as long as you have the lower time frame structure to justify it. I'm willing to take a 1-hour charge here, guys, based on a weighted coin toss, and that's all this is. Just placed a mark here, guys, showing the 50% mark. Here's the 75% mark, and of course the ultimate target. I will likely manage this dynamically if I get a chance. Not sure I'm going to get that. All right, guys, tapping the 75% mark, moving my stop to break even here to lock in a sure no lose here on FOMC day. Of course, if I get stopped out, I'll keep the video going to see how we do. Looking for one more push here. And there it is, guys. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate you. Have an amazing day.